First, click Settings in the drop-down in the right corner of your browser window, then click on Extensions on the next page. Next, click on the link to the Chrome Web Store. Search for PowerNotes in the search bar on the left. Click on the PowerNotes Research result, then click Add to Chrome. In the new pop-up window, click Add Extension. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top of your browser window, and click on PowerNotes Research. Type in your Kishwaukee College email. Click Sign up with Kishwaukee College. Enter your Kishwaukee College credentials and click Sign in to finish. If there are any issues or errors, you will want to manually create an account. Open the PowerNotes extension in your browser. Click Sign up with email. Enter the required information and click Sign up with email again. Your account will be created, and you should be good to go.